So have you ever had one of those days where just everything seems to go wrong? That's just, I think, my luck almost every day. Because on this day particularly, this was one of those mornings where you just wake up and right as you step out of the room, you step on, I don't know, dog pee, poop, you know, something wonderful that they left for you the night before. But not only that, but then your kids decide to just wake up with just screaming and banging on the door as if they're, I don't know, dying. But just, you want to complete one thing, right? This is just what happens. Yeah, I just can't. The berries fall on the floor. This is one of those days where you're like, I'm done. I'll just put this shit away. I can't take it anymore. You know, I was going to complete the fridge, take a look at the drawer. You know, I'm like, oh, great. Nope. Screw this. We're out of here. Like and subscribe for more.